Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the WORKPROX, their cordless hot glue gun. Has 90-minute runtime, 20-volt rechargeable battery included, full-size glue sticks, it includes 20 of them, and a 2-amp-hour battery, USB-C charging cord, has smart power off. This thing is really high-tech looking. Have it on right now. See how it's blinking right there, the green. That'll go solid green when it's warmed up. Look at the oversized pull handle on here so that you're not going to get fatigued. And look at the headlight so that you can see what you're working on. And the battery right here slides in and out. And it's one of these batteries, high-tech. It's got actual display of the percent that is left. There's the latch right there that works to hold this in place. Very simple to charge this. We're going to show you that. That clicks right in place just like that. To turn it on, you just hold it down for 2 seconds. And it comes on, it starts blinking, and when it's ready, it'll be solid green. Has a silicone tip right there, which is great. This tip is replaceable. They have the size in the manual. If you want to, if it damage, you damage it. But these silicone tips and these tips last forever. And does have a really nicely written instruction manual showing you everything about how to use this. So, some of the key points about this. This delivers 0.53 ounces per minute of glue out of that nozzle, and that's about 4 times faster than other brands. And when you recharge this to full, it'll run a full 90 minutes with that 2000 milliamp hour battery. It has advanced MCH heating element for fast preheating, typically less than 100 seconds. So you're talking about a very short time. You can see it already went green on there, let me know it's ready. And this head right here has that MCH heating element, so it's very accurate and very quick. And automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of inactivity. And it has an anti-drip nozzle, and that's great so that you don't waste glue. And this oversized handle on here allows you to grip it quite easily and not get fatigued. I just love that. I love that it takes regular glue sticks so that you don't have to keep buying these smaller ones. Because I've noticed the smaller ones all have variances in diameter. This is the regular size and it comes with it. There's the charging cable. We're going to show you next how you charge this battery. So you take any USB-C cable or the one that's included and you put the USB-A to a 2 amp or greater works best, and you go into the C port right there. We're also going to test. I think this is a power bank right there, which is great to have. And while it's charging, you can see it's blinking green right there, and you can always hit the test button to see where it's at in the percentage of charge. Now the power bank function allows you to use the USB-A port. There's a tiny little button right there. When you hit that button, that's what enables that USB-A port. So when I push that, you see the green there, and my Pixel 6 comes on because I've got a cable, the included cable, and now it's a power bank. You can charge anything that uses USB-C or USB-A cable, even micro USB. So we're going to give the WORKPROX cordless hot glue gun a try. Have it heating up, and if you don't want to have the headlamp on when it's on, you can pulse this and it'll turn it off or turn it back on. So most of the time you don't want to have that. It draws very little energy and allows you to see what you're working on. So if you ever had a glue gun before, these are really great. Most of the time you have to plug them in. So this is excellent that you don't need to plug it in because it gives you that portability and lightness, not having a cord to worry about. I did fully charge the battery almost to 88%, and I have a glue stick that I just inserted in there. And so these are so versatile. You could glue, if you're into crafts, it could hold wood, balsa, paper. If you're working with floral arrangements, it could hold the stems and the base. There's so many applications for this if you're repairing some wood or something. So you can see it just heated up. I'm just going to demonstrate it on some of the boxes that were in the package itself, just to show you how versatile it is. So we got the heated up, and I got the handle right here. When you compress the handle, it advances the glue stick. See how it's moving in? What's happening is going into the chamber and getting hot and melted. So it just came out right now. So I'm just going to put some right on here. You have about a minute and a half to work with before it'll totally harden up. So I'm just going to stick that in place on the cardboard right there. And see, the tip stayed really clean. You don't normally want to touch that. It is hot. But this glue is so versatile because it could be used in so many different materials. It's not limited for the materials. See, that's still cooling off right there. But this piece I put right here, I can hold it and it's on there. I mean, it's unbelievable. You could also, for extra strength, you could fill the gaps with it right there. But that's basically it. There's so much applications for this. And when it cools off, it becomes extremely durable to hold anything. Flowers, wood, paper, balsa wood, anything, repairing something. It just works really well for it. And this is a really sleek design. I love the way the layout of this is. This is rubberized right here, very simple to use. And the fact that it's totally cordless and uses standard glue gun pieces is really amazing. So after testing, what do I think about the WORKPROX, their cordless hot glue gun? Really a cool product, high-tech looking, very durable, charging cable, 20 glue sticks, high capacity battery rechargeable, oversized handle to make it easy to grip, and standard glue gun size sticks, which is great if you need replacements. This is a high quality product. Headlamp on it as I demonstrated. I'm impressed with the quality of this. This thing is built like a tank. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.